There were confusions post-pandemic that whether the NET examination would be conducted only once a year or twice a year. But as of now, the NET examination has been conducted twice a year post-pandemic. So again, for 2025, it would be conducted twice a year. The two cycles would be June and December cycle. Now, it's important to note that NET examination has become more important in the recent years. The simple reason is, even for your PhD, you would have to go for your NET examination. So in your NET, you would have the three options to go for PhD and NET and JRF. So those are the categories under which you would be filling your form for your UGC examination, since it's conducted twice a year. Even if you are appearing for an interdisciplinary subject, for example, student from English literature can also appear for folk literature or for Indian culture as one of your subjects. Students with management can appear for management and labor welfare code 55 as one of their subjects. So students with geography can appear for population studies, disaster management as another subject. But that could happen across different 6 monthly tenure, right? So for example, this time you are appearing with geography as your subject, next time you can appear with disaster management to increase your chances for vacancies and future job opportunities. But again, you would require that 6 months period to prepare for it. So it's advisable 100% to fill only one subject in one session rather than thinking about filling more subjects. It's also not accepted during the process you are filling the form. So it's really important that since it's twice a year, you can appear in multiple subjects for your NET examination which are aligned to or interdisciplinary to your own field. So thanks for joining in. Have a great day.